If you've ever wished your website visitors could easily find answers and support instantly without the hassle, then today's tutorial is going to help you out big time. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a full-featured WordPress knowledge base with * live search using only free tools. That means your users will be able to search and discover helpful articles on your site, saving you support time and making your site feel much more professional. Let's dive right in and get you set up step by step. First up, we're going to install and activate a knowledge base plugin. So go ahead and log into your WordPress admin dashboard. That's the backend where all the magic happens. On the left-hand sidebar, look for plugins and click Add New. In the search bar at the top, type something like Knowledge Base or Echo Knowledge Base. There are several good options, but for this video I recommend AJAX because it includes built-in live search in its free version. You'll see a few results pop up. Find your chosen plugin and hit Install Now. The installation usually only takes a few seconds, and once that button turns blue, click Activate to bring it to life. Just like that, you've unlocked a whole new section for your site. Now, after activation, you'll see a brand new menu item in your dashboard. It might say, or Knowledge Base, depending which plugin you chose. Click into that and let's start tweaking your settings. Head over to Settings, then look for tabs like Layout and Styles. This part is actually pretty fun because you can decide how your knowledge base will look. Most plugins like AJAX make it simple. There's usually a straightforward option to enable the live search, sometimes just a toggle switch. Live search means users get instant results as they type, which keeps things fast and frustration-free. Take your time here, choose colors and fonts that match your website's branding so your knowledge base feels like a natural, polished extension of your site. If you ever get stuck, don't worry, most of these options preview in real time, and you can always come back to adjust them later. Next, let's organize your content. A knowledge base works best when articles are grouped into categories. Think of these like chapters in a manual or folders in a file cabinet. Navigate to the Categories area under your plugins menu and add a few new categories for major topics your visitors might need help with. For example, account setup, troubleshooting, FAQs, or product guides. Once you have your structure in place, it's time to start creating articles. Click Add New Article and build your content using the familiar WordPress editor. You can add text, images, even videos, whatever will help your users succeed. Assign each article to the right category, and when you're happy with it, hit Publish. Every article you create becomes a new solution on your site, ready to be discovered. With your articles live, let's make sure visitors can actually find the knowledge base. Most plugins will auto-create a dedicated page for you. Check under Pages in your dashboard for something like Knowledge Base. If you want to fine-tune where and how it appears, look for the shortcode listed in the plugin, something like AJAX or Knowledge Base. You can copy and paste this into any page or post you like, and it'll instantly pull in the full knowledge base with its search bar. As a best practice, make sure this page is easy to find. Head to the Menus section in Appearance and add your knowledge base page to the main navigation. That way, users won't have to hunt around. Help is always just one click away, and that's it. You've now set up a searchable, organized knowledge base on WordPress with live search, all for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips, tools, and tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck building your perfect help center.